Are you feeling stuck with your current Square store? Or maybe you're just ready to take things to the next level with Shopify but worried about the migration process? Trust me, you're not alone. Migrating your online store can be a huge pain, but Shopify has just made it so much easier. Today, we're exploring Shopify's brand new AI-powered store migration app, an absolute game changer for anyone looking to switch from other platforms like Square to Shopify. Whether you're just starting out or already running a successful online business, this app could save you hours, if not days, of work. Using AI technology, Shopify can now seamlessly migrate even the largest stores in a matter of minutes, revolutionizing the traditionally time-consuming process. So, let's break it down step by step and make sure your migration is as smooth as possible. First things first, head over to the Shopify App Store and install the Store Migration app. Don't worry, the link is right in the description below. Once you've got the app installed, open it up from the left sidebar on your Shopify dashboard to start the onboarding process. Now, here's something you'll want to keep in mind. The app currently supports migrations from Square and WooCommerce, but don't worry, Shopify is adding support for more platforms soon. For today's video, we're focusing on migrating from Square. So go ahead and select Square from the drop-down menu and then click Next. Once you've done that, hit the Get Started button to begin the migration process. Here comes the key decision point. You'll be prompted to choose between two methods, the API method or the manual CSV method. We highly recommend going with the API method by connecting your Square account directly. It's faster, more seamless, and the power of AI helps make it less prone to errors. If you've ever dealt with manually exporting and importing CSV files, you'll know what a pain it can be. The AI tech behind this app automates much of the heavy lifting, saving you tons of time and frustration. Now, you'll need to connect your Square account to your Shopify account. This is an essential step because it grants the app access to your Square store and lets it pull in all the data you need for your migration. Square will ask you to review and approve the necessary permissions. Don't worry, just take a look through the policies and when you're ready, hit Allow. Once the app successfully connects your Square account to Shopify, you'll see a confirmation message. If everything went smoothly, it'll redirect you back to your Shopify dashboard. Now that your accounts are linked, it's time to hit that import button. But before you proceed, take a moment to review exactly what data you're bringing over. For instance, if you're importing products, you can decide whether they should go live on your Shopify store right away or stay in draft mode until you're ready. Once you're satisfied with your selections, go ahead and click Import. Now, the AI does its magic, processing your data and ensuring everything is transferred accurately. Shopify displays a summary table so you can keep an eye on the progress, and depending on the size of your store, this could take a few minutes. But don't worry. We'll speed things up in the video here so you can just sit back and let the AI work its magic. When the migration is complete, Shopify will provide a quick summary of what was imported. If any issues arise, Shopify will highlight them for you, but luckily for us, everything came through perfectly with no errors. Now it's time to double-check all your imported products. Even though the app does a great job, it's always a good idea to verify that everything is in place. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully migrated your products to Shopify. And thanks to the app's AI features, you can be confident that your data made it over accurately. For the CSV method, the first step is to export your products from Square. Head over to your Square dashboard, and in the left sidebar, click on Items. This will open up your item library. From here, look for the Actions button and select Export Library. Square will then present you with a few export options. You can either export all your products or filter the selection based on specific criteria. There's even an option to export a blank template if you plan to fill it in later. Since we're going for an automated migration, make sure to select CSV as the file format. Once you've set everything up the way you want, hit Export and the CSV file will be downloaded to your computer. Next, head back to your Shopify dashboard and open the Store Migration app from the left sidebar. Now, go through the onboarding process just like we did with the API method. This time, however, when you're prompted to choose between connecting your store or uploading a CSV file, select the CSV method. Go ahead and upload the CSV file you just exported from Square. The migration app will ask if you want the products to go live on your store immediately or remain in draft mode. Make your selection, and the app will take care of the rest. The AI technology behind this app will automatically map all the fields from Square to Shopify, so you don't have to worry about matching columns or dealing with formatting errors. Pretty cool, right? Once again, Shopify will show you a summary table of your progress, and depending on the size of your file, it might take a few moments to complete. We'll fast forward through this part of the video. After the import is complete, the app will show you a summary of the imported products and flag any issues if there are any. Fortunately, in our case, everything has gone smoothly once again. Now, take a few minutes to review your imported products. One important thing to note is that the CSV method doesn't always import everything perfectly. For instance, product images might not transfer over since Square doesn't include them in their exported CSV file. This is one of the main reasons we recommend the API method whenever possible. And that's it. Take a look at our Shopify store after the migration. Products perfectly formatted in just seconds, all thanks to the AI-powered store migration app. A total game changer. What was once a complicated, time-consuming process is now simple, fast, and incredibly efficient. No more stress about lost data or manual work. This app handles it all for you. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. And before you go, we want to let you in on something important. If you need extra help with your migration, don't worry. We're here for you. Whether you run into challenges with your specific store or just want a more hands-off approach, our team is here to assist you every step of the way with our store migration service. Just check out the link in the description below to get in touch and let us know about your project. We'll be more than happy to help you get set up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.